Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable battery saver on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, battery saver mode help manage power consumption by limiting background activities, reducing screen brightness, and optimizing system performance. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. And then you can select battery and device care menu. Okay, after that in this page, you can select battery option at the top. And then you can select power saving option. And then now you can activate this feature by simply pressing this button. Okay, so the battery saver on your device is successfully active. That's the tutorial on how to activate battery saver on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.